Whether you're a weather enthusiast, HVAC technician, or outdoor adventurer, having a reliable handheld anemometer can make all the difference. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best handheld digital anemometers that offer accuracy, durability, and ease of use. Let's get started. Number 5 on our list is the Habotest HT625A handheld digital anemometer. The Habotest HT625A handheld digital anemometer is a versatile instrument designed for precise and convenient wind speed measurement. It features a full-view, high-definition backlit screen, ensuring data is easily readable even in dark or low-light environments. This makes it ideal for outdoor use at any time of day or night. One of the key strengths of the HT625A is its ability to measure wind speed in multiple units, allowing users to select the most appropriate measurement for their specific needs. This flexibility simplifies wind speed assessment across various applications. Additionally, the HT625B variant extends functionality by offering USB connectivity, enabling real-time data monitoring on a computer, which is particularly useful for ongoing environmental assessments or research projects. The Anemometer is built to last, boasting a dual-color injection-molded body that is both sturdy and durable. The device includes a comfortable grip and a robust structure enhanced with wear-resistant soft rubber, providing effective protection against accidental drops or impacts. This thoughtful design ensures the tool remains reliable under demanding conditions. Beyond wind speed, the Habotest HT625A supports multiple environmental measurement functions. It can accurately gauge temperature, humidity, dew point temperature, and wet bulb temperature, making it a comprehensive device for environmental monitoring. Central to its accuracy is a high-sensitivity sensor featuring an 8-blade design combined with high-precision bearing sensors. This setup enhances data acquisition accuracy, giving users confidence in the readings provided. The Habotest HT625A offers a practical and reliable solution for professionals and enthusiasts needing detailed and accurate wind and environmental data in the field. Number 4 is the Peakmeter PM6252A handheld digital anemometer. The Peakmeter PM6252A handheld digital anemometer is a versatile instrument designed for accurate wind speed measurement in both industrial and outdoor environments. Featuring a compact handheld design, this device is tailored for users who require precise wind data in a variety of settings, from weather monitoring to HVAC system diagnostics and environmental studies. Equipped with an LCD digital display, the PM6252A ensures clear and immediate readability of wind speed values. Its user-friendly interface allows for quick operation, making it accessible for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The device supports measurements in multiple units, accommodating different preferences and standards across industries. Built for reliability, the Peakmeter PM6252A operates effectively in diverse conditions, whether indoors or outdoors. Its robust construction withstands typical environmental challenges, ensuring consistent performance during fieldwork or industrial applications. The handheld nature of the Anemometer provides portability, allowing users to easily carry and deploy it wherever wind speed data is needed. The instrument's technology focuses on precision, providing stable and accurate readings to aid in critical decision-making processes. Whether monitoring airflow in ventilation systems or assessing wind conditions for safety and planning purposes, the PM6252A delivers dependable measurements. Overall, the Peakmeter PM6252A handheld digital anemometer is a practical tool for anyone requiring straightforward, accurate wind speed measurement. Its combination of portability, ease of use, and reliable performance makes it a valuable addition to both professional toolkits and field equipment collections. Coming in at number 3 is the UNI-T UT363 handheld digital anemometer. The UNI-T UT363 handheld digital anemometer is a compact and versatile instrument designed for precise wind speed measurement in various indoor and outdoor environments. This device offers practical features that enhance usability and accuracy, making it a reliable tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. Equipped with a clear LCD display and backlight functionality, the UT363 ensures easy reading of data even in low-light conditions. Users can conveniently select temperature units between Celsius and Fahrenheit, tailoring the instrument to their preference or specific requirements. One of the standout features of this anemometer is its wear-proof fan shaft. This robust component is engineered to maintain high accuracy over extended use, resisting wear and tear that could otherwise degrade performance. Such durability makes the UT363 suitable for repeated and long-term applications where consistent reliability is essential. The device includes max and AVG modes, allowing users to capture and analyze maximum wind speeds as well as average values over a measurement period. This capability provides deeper insight into airflow characteristics, whether for HVAC assessments, environmental monitoring, or other technical evaluations. To conserve battery life, the UT363 incorporates an automatic power-off feature, switching off the device after periods of inactivity. This thoughtful addition ensures the instrument is ready when needed without frequent battery replacements. Overall, the UNI-T UT363 handheld digital anemometer combines practical design with dependable functionality. Its clear display, selectable measurement units, durable construction, and advanced measurement modes contribute to making it a valuable instrument for wind speed measurement tasks across a wide range of applications. Number 2 is the HoldPeak BT-100 handheld digital anemometer. The HoldPeak BT-100 handheld digital anemometer stands out as a reliable tool for accurately measuring wind speed and temperature in various environments. Designed with durability and ease of use in mind, this device features a built-in backlight for clear visibility in low-light conditions, a low battery indicator to ensure uninterrupted operation, and a convenient screw for lanyard attachment, making it easy to carry during outdoor activities. One of the key highlights of the HoldPeak BT-100 is its multifunctional display that simultaneously shows wind speed, temperature, and wind chill, providing a comprehensive snapshot of current weather conditions. Users can select from multiple units to measure wind speed, including meters per second, kilometers per hour, feet per minute, knots, and miles per hour, allowing for flexibility depending on the context or preference. The Anemometer employs high-accuracy digital technology, capable of measuring wind speed with a precision of 0.1 digits, making it well-suited for meteorological applications, outdoor sports, and any activity that requires precise environmental data. Its temperature sensor is based on an NTC thermometer that can monitor temperatures ranging from 40 Celsius to 60 Celsius, with easy conversion between Celsius and Fahrenheit units. Overall, the HoldPeak BT-100 offers an effective solution for anyone needing detailed and accurate wind and temperature measurements in a compact, user-friendly handheld device. Whether for professional meteorological use or personal outdoor adventures, this anemometer provides valuable environmental insights in a straightforward and portable design. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Aneng GN302 handheld digital anemometer. The Aneng GN302 handheld digital anemometer is a sophisticated device designed for precise measurement of wind speed, ambient temperature, and humidity. Utilizing advanced infrared laser beam technology combined with a blade cutting method, this anemometer delivers accurate and reliable data, making it a valuable tool across a variety of fields. Equipped with a powerful main control chip, the GN302 offers a stable and highly sensitive performance. It can detect even the finest airflow, ensuring detailed and precise wind measurements. This makes it suitable not only for general environmental monitoring, but also for specialized applications such as wind energy assessment, meteorological analysis, and industrial processes. The device is versatile in its usage scenarios, serving professionals and industries involved in agriculture, environmental protection, highway safety, airport operations, and port management. Its ability to provide real-time data aids in making informed decisions in these critical areas. One of the notable features of the Aneng GN302 is its capability to display wind speed and airflow in 6 different units. With a simple press of the unit button, users can effortlessly switch between meters per second, kilometers per hour, feet per minute, knots, miles per hour, and another unit, adapting to various measurement standards as needed. Designed with user convenience in mind, the handheld format ensures portability and ease of use in fieldwork. Its intuitive interface and quick unit switching streamline the measurement process, making it accessible for both professionals and enthusiasts. Overall, the Aneng GN302 stands out as a reliable, multifunctional digital anemometer that combines technological innovation with practical design, suitable for diverse measurement scenarios requiring precise environmental data.